Alright everybody, welcome back to a long and much needed return. My bad for leaving for a few months. Xbox parties get fun. So today we have a handful of packages here. I actually blurred them out this time. And by looking at this one, as you can see, we got some keycaps here, and noticing that there's multiple things. This is probably a keyboard, right? Well, you are right. So oh, we got some foam. I might add that to my keyboard. Key switches, as you can see. Listen to that. Sounds pretty godly. This camera is so garbage at focusing. Like, oh my god. Here we go. Sounds pretty good to me. I'm going to be lubing these. Obviously. I've already opened this up and actually lubed the stabilizers. But we have a GK61X lubed by yours truly. It's a white case, so nice. These are really cool keycaps that are actually relatively cheap and feel really good. Autofocus much? There we go. Look at these. Look at that. Perfect. So we got these boards here. So when I'm moving my switches, I can put them on. This may be the worst autofocus I've ever seen in my life. See, look at that. That's cool. After that awful experience with autofocus, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here, finally finished building the keyboard. I've been doing this for at least 5 hours today. And it sounds really good in my opinion. I lubed every switch except for 2 plus, so you can't tell. It's also number keys, so who cares about those? And above 2 it really doesn't matter. It's like 1, 2, and 3 that kind of matter. But yeah, I think this is a really cool build. I actually need to figure out the lighting, which I actually have the instruction manual right here. But let's do a sound test and see how this thing sounds.